Dear students, all of you have studied the properties of acids and bases. All of you are knowing acids are giving hydrogen ions in water and bases are giving hydroxide ions in water. Now I am going to discuss the method to measure or determine the strength of acidic and basic solutions. All of you are knowing that pure water is a poor conductor as well as it is a neutral substance. This is because water ionizes partially or slightly to give hydrogen ions and hydroxide ions. In pure water, the concentration of hydrogen ions and hydroxide ions are equal. Due to this, pure water is neither acidic nor basic, it is a neutral substance. Now, when an acid is added to water, then acid molecules ionize to give hydrogen ions. As a result, the concentration of hydrogen ion increases in water and it becomes acidic. It means water is now no longer neutral. Now it becomes acidic due to increased amount of hydrogen ions as compared to hydroxide ions which are produced by water. If a base is added to pure water, then concentration of hydroxide ions increases due to ionization of base molecules. Due to increased concentration of hydroxide ions, now water becomes basic in nature. In this case, the concentration of hydroxide ions is comparatively more than that of hydrogen ions which are produced by water. On the basis of the above discussion, we concluded that in a pure water, the concentration of hydrogen ions is equal to the concentration of hydroxide ions. In acidic solution, the concentration of hydrogen ions is greater than that of hydroxide ions, and in basic solutions, the concentration of hydroxide ions is greater than that of hydrogen ions. Thus, we concluded that both acidic as well as basic solutions are containing hydrogen ions. Only difference in the amount of hydrogen ions in the solution. One of the solution is containing more amount of the hydrogen ion and another is containing less amount of hydrogen ions. On this basis, a new quantity was introduced to measure the strength of acidic as well as basic solutions on the basis of the concentration of hydrogen ions, and this new quantity is called as pH. Now, how will you define pH of a solution? pH of a solution signifies the concentration of hydrogen ions in it. Mathematically, pH of a solution is defined as the negative logarithm to base 10 of hydrogen ion concentration in the solution. It means the pH of a solution is inversely proportional to the concentration of hydrogen ions in it. pH of a solution can also be defined as the negative power or exponent to which 10 is raised in order to express the hydrogen ion concentration. It has been experimentally found that at 25 degrees centigrade or 298 Kelvin in pure water, the concentration of hydrogen ions is equal to 1 into 10 to power minus 7 mole per liter. Also in pure water, the concentration of hydrogen ions is equal to the hydroxide ions. Therefore, the pH of the solution is equal to 7. It means in pure water or in neutral solution, the pH is equal to 7. Now, in a solution in which the concentration of hydrogen ions is greater than 10 to power minus 7, then solution is acidic in nature, having pH less than 7. A solution in which the concentration of hydrogen ions is less than 10 to power minus 7, then pH is greater than 7. It is a basic solution. Thus, we have concluded that in a neutral solution or in pure water, pH equal to 7. In acidic solution, pH is less than 7, and in basic solution, pH is more than 7. Just like we are defining pH of a solution as the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration, in the same way pOH of a solution can be defined as the negative logarithm of hydroxide ion concentration. In pure water, molar concentration of hydrogen ions is equal to the molar concentration of hydroxide ion. Therefore, pH equal to pOH, and that is equal to 7, and sum of pH and pOH equal to 14. Thank you.